Hi, I am Patricia, spokesperson for Punta Pacifica Realty. Welcome to our channel. When you purchase a property, one of the biggest concerns is who is gonna take care of your investment. But the good news is that Punta Pacifica Realty has a complete property management team that was designed to take the stress out of being an owner. Today, my guest is Eddie Montes, our property management director. Hi, Eddie.
Hi, Anna. Thanks for having me on the show. I'm excited to be here today.
I'm very happy to have you here today. Tell me a little bit about the services your department offers to our clients.
Property management department consists of quite a few things. I mean, we start with our finance department, for example. They take care of everything that has to do with your bills, for example. When we collect our rent first, we then pay for all of your bills and send whatever remaining funds are to your account of choice. We also have property managers that take care of the apartment itself. They take care of the move-ins, the move-outs, inspections, and making sure that everything is tidy and in the perfect condition in order to attract the proper tenants.
We have a state-of-the-art security system to protect the properties. Tell us about that.
I'm glad you asked, Anna Patricia. Security is of the utmost importance for us, and that's why we have a Morse Watchman key bank security system in which we store the keys to all of the apartments that we manage. Each individual of ours, whether it be a maintenance person or a salesperson, has their own unique code. It gives them access to the security system in order to take out keys. At the end of the day, we publish a report of where the keys were, who actually was in the apartment, and what time the keys went in and what times the keys went out, giving us peace of mind of where the keys were, who took them, and how long they were out.
We are committed with our clients to get qualified tenants. Explain to our viewers, how do we market the properties?
Our relationships are one of the most important parts of the aspects of Punta Pacifica Realty. Our relationships with brokers, different media outlets, and multinational corporations gives us a wide array of opportunities in order to attract well-qualified tenants for our apartments.
Let's talk about the profile of our tenants. Are mostly Panamanian or foreigners?
Actually, most of our tenants are foreigners, and Panama, being a transient country, gives us the opportunity to work with many relocation companies and multinationals. These multinationals who have their bases in Panama bring executives on a regular basis. Our relationship with the companies gives us the ability to house these people and make sure that their needs are met.
Tenant relations are crucial in property management. How does our team handle tenant concerns and ensure a proper environment?
This is a very important aspect of property management. The relationship starts with our salesperson, which is the person who essentially brings our new residents to their new home.
Yes.
From there, we pass on the relationship to our dedicated customer service team. We have a team of 3 people who only answer concerns for our tenants and our owners. These concerns are then passed on to the various departments depending on what the concern is in order to make sure that there's a positive outcome after every single inquiry.
I'm sure our viewers are curious about what happens when the apartment is without tenants.
Our teams inspect and clean the units on a periodic basis in order to make sure that everything is staged and looking the best it can for any potential incoming viewers.
Ready to occupy at any moment.
Correct.
I like it. A new service that many of our clients are taking advantage of is the renovation service. Explain us about this.
Yes, we have a fairly new remodeling team at Punta Pacifica Realty. We have a couple of different functions. Our first function is to grab apartments that have been in our portfolio for quite some time and are maybe looking a little bit tired. For example, they've been in the rental pool for 10 years, 12 years at this point maybe, and need a little bit of sprucing up. Our team of architects and designers come in, can do some design changes, change out a couple of pieces of furniture, and your apartment will look like it was a brand new place.
That is fantastic. Eddie, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you for having me, Ana Patricia. This was fun.
Our dear audience, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't miss the next one.